arhoson i ddathlu cwblhau ein darn mwyaf diweddar o waith creadigol cymunedol, a hynny yn hwmni ei Heulog Seneddol Saville-Roberts. A ble gwell na gwneud hynny, nag yn ein neuadd goffa hyfryd sydd wedi bod yn hwb mor bwysig i'n cymuned ers bron i ganrif. Croeso i chi gyd i ddangos i'r
A very special piece of work by 22 volunteers over the past 10 months. Thank you very much for your excellent work. The plan for it was created by councillor and artist Ffion Gwyn, winner of the Arts for the Arts Award. Quite an achievement for the work, which is 4 metres long. We are also very grateful to the writer Sid Stevenson, who lives in the town, Michael Fox, a professional camera person, and broadcaster Mervyn Jones. Thank you also for the sponsorship from Age Cymru, Gwynedd a Môn, and to everyone who was hired.
Braf iawn i fod yn ôl yma. A mae'n braf i weld cyn gymaint o bobl wedi troi allan hynna. Dwi'n gwybod os yma ddisgwyl cyn gymaint o hyn, mae'n arwydd arbennig o braf. Mae'n gyffroes yn ydy i fod yn barod. Dyn ni'n barod i weld, to celebrate the tapestry, to actually see these artifacts and to delight in them. I think the thing that people will remember for all their lives as well as having this magnificent place to show what's been created, but it is the act of creating and people coming together to work together to create. That is what people will treasure, and that's what people will carry with them throughout their lives. And that sense of working between generations, I think, is immensely exciting. So we are here tonight, of course, to celebrate the second part of the Criccieth Tapestry, with the Street of Castell, looking at the building of Street of Castell and Street of Elin, and there will also be the film of the process. There are the other artifacts here, but I will also say, before I welcome Sarah Davidson of Creative Lives onto the stage, and of course it was this work by Criccieth last year, was the Wales winner of Creative Lives and a runner-up again this year, but I will also say that as all these things, the work continues. Instead of Llun ag Eifionydd on the horizon. So congratulations to everybody. I'd like to welcome now Sarah Davidson.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not actually from Creative Lives.
Apologies.
However, I am here to represent a group of amazing women. We got together last year and created the first tapestry, and that went very well. When it was over, our enthusiasm was fired up, and Fiona got us together and she said, would you like to do another one? We said, yes, of course. So she created the plan. She got together her troops and we looked at it. It started off about 4 metres, but it's about 5 now. So we divided it up, we formed teams, and we went out to stitch, to paint, to tapestry, to do a bit of rugging, all sorts of different needle crafts. We had some support from the town council, thank you, which paid for us to have a public space to work in. However, the money very quickly looked as though it was going to run out. And our target date for completion, which was Croeso-Dolig, was looming, and we knew we weren't going to get it finished. So we started working in private homes. And it was during these hours that Sid Stevenson watched us working. He listened to the chatter, he heard the laughter, he saw the hundreds of cups of tea that we were getting through, and he saw the mountain of brown wreath that we were actually eating, and decided that rather than make a film about the actual end result, it was the process, it was the women getting together. And he saw that layer by layer, we were building friendships as well as this beautiful piece of work that you'll get to see in a few minutes. There's also the poppy dress, and there are the postbox toppers, all made with love by I have to say, the ladies of Criccieth, and sometimes out of Criccieth. During the course of the evening, you will see some of us wearing poppies like this, different colours, but the poppy means that this person was involved in the creation of this tapestry. And please feel free to ask us any questions. Ask us which bit of the tapestry we were involved with. We're very, very proud of it, and we're very happy to talk about it. So thank you all for your support, and thank you for coming this evening. Thank you.
Right, can you all shuffle along? Shuffle that way. Shuffle that way. Come on, Lorraine, move over. Right, let's have a cheer of success. Eh?